Hello and welcome. You're watching Markets Today. I'm Sakshi Batra, and this is where we discuss everything about the stock markets, how the day panned out in trade, where were the gains and losses seen, and what really happened to your investments in the stock markets today. So, over the next 4 to 5 minutes, do stay tuned on to get the entire highlights of the day. But it was a very rough day for the stock markets today. An FNO weekly expiry day today, and the markets fell very, very sharply. It was a global rout in the markets that we have seen across the globe today. The Sensex, in fact, lost over 1,400 points. It tanked 1,400 points in today's trading session. Nifty also slipping away below the crucial support levels too, giving up over 400, 450 odd points in trade. The Sensex dived 14, 16 points towards the end of the session, 2.6% down to settle the day at 52,792. So not just 54,000, but also 53,000 level was given up towards the end of the session. Through the day, it tumbled over 1,539 points or 2.8% in trade. The Nifty ended lower by 430 points or 2.6% lower to end the day at 15,809, marginally protecting that 15,800 mark. For the Sensex, firms like HCL Technologies, Wipro, Infosys, TCS, Tech Mahindra, all of them were big laggards. IT facing, a big beating in today's trading session. Tata Steel, IndusInd Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, another major laggards as well. However, there were just one or two few stocks, far and few between, that saw the light of the green in today's trading session. Despite the overall weakness in the markets, it was ITC post a very good, solid Q4 numbers that rose in a very weak market as well today. Dr. Reddy's also emerged as a gainer in today's trading session as well. Of course, what was the key reason behind the sharp fall? The global market equities meltdown. Overnight, US markets fell sharply 3 to 4% in trade. Now, even in the Asian markets, barring Shanghai, the other Asian markets ended lower, with Seoul, Hong Kong, Tokyo all ending in the red. Equity exchanges in the Europe also were trading sharply lower in the afternoon session when they opened up in the early session for them. Stock markets in the US ended, like I said, deep in the red on Wednesday. As we move forward from here, markets will be continuously facing and reacting on the deteriorating macro sentiments, the soaring inflation, the recession fears, the prospects of Federal Reserve getting even more hawkish and keeping the benchmarks on the edge as well. Another major reason for the pessimism could be attributed to relentless selling from the FIS camp as well. Remember, in the month of May alone, they have sold over 38,000 crore rupees worth of equities, and they have remained net sellers for 8 straight months in a row as well. All of that, really weighing on the sentiments in the markets today, and we'll just have to wait to find out whether tomorrow will be any kind of a bounce back. Of course, so far in the markets, we have seen very bad days, and the markets have recovered after that, and that has been giving some hopes because at lower levels, domestic institutional investors, the retail investors, have been constantly putting their focus in the Indian equity markets, have been putting up money. The question is, how much longer, if the FIS selling continues, will retail investors continue to keep their faith and constantly keep investing in the Indian markets? That's the question that we will keep on asking all our experts. And for that, you need to stay tuned with Business Today to understand what really is happening in the world of day trade. We'll keep getting you all the top voices as well. So do stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Thanks a lot for tuning in for now.